My friend, people are making a lot of money by e-commerce business, okay? So why you will miss this business? And it has no risks, no hard work, just you need some few steps. And only within 7 steps, I will show you how you can make a very good e-commerce business as a beginner, okay? You have no, I think you have no experience, you have no knowledge, so just see my 5 to 6 minutes video how I will cover you that basically how you will make a e-commerce business. Okay, first of all you need identify your e-commerce business. Okay, so it's number one that identify your e-commerce business idea. So how you will get an idea, because in e-commerce you cannot choose any of the product, you have to first of all research the market. That's why you will go just to AliExpress, and in AliExpress you will get lot of products. And I made some few videos that how you can find product from AliExpress. You can see on my playlist that in here only you will see that good product review which one. So for example, this Labubu is very trending and very popular right now. So if I choose the Labubu products, then I will go to the next step, competitive analysis. Okay, you will just analyze your competitor. So that's why I will search on Google. So in here this is a picture, so we will see that how many stores are selling Labubu item. This is Wikipedia, this is PopMart. Yeah, wait, okay, so PopMart, yeah, Labubu, Amazon selling Labubu, so Labubu's plus Troy. Okay, and then you will go to Google Trends. Okay, after I search on Google Trends Labubu, you can see that worldwide past 90 days, and it is very popular. Oh my god. And the popular countries is Poland, Slovakia, Czech Republic, Hong Kong, United Arab Emirates. So these countries have very demand these Labubu products. Okay, Lithuania, Hungary, Cyprus. So it means that this product is good, had demand, market research done. And then we will go to next step is brand. Okay, it means you have to create a store which is very brand store. People who will come to your, when they will come to your store, they will feel that it's a brand store, and only you will focus only one product, no problem. Because people making a lot of mistakes that they focus multiple products, they have no exact choice or niche that what product they will sell. Even every day I analyze 100,000 stores, that lot of 80% stores making like it's random website, they don't know what they are selling. Okay, so you have to setting up your brand and then setting up your Shopify store. So how you will set up your website or e-commerce? So I always suggest to you that just create a store in Shopify. Okay, Shopify is very popular, conversion it is very good. Okay, and it has number 6 step is also good for the Shopify financial and marketing strategy. Shopify have own payment processor. Okay, payment processor, so you will get lot of advantages. Okay, own payment processor and marketing. Yes, if you create a store by Shopify, then you will get lot of advantage. It will be a very brand store, and they have very AI features to make your stores more professional. And number 7 is create shipping strategy, which is very important, because a supplier can break or can make your business. So I am a supplier, you have no tension, you will just contact me what product you need or what product you are selling. Then I will analyze the market and I will give you very good advice. So the supplier problem is almost done, and next step is you have to take action. Okay, take action. So my friend, that's it, very simple. Just identify your e-commerce business idea, competitive analysis, business planning, your brand setup, your website setup, financial. For financial, you can also need credit card, international dual currency card. So I think you can manage it by talk to your bank, no problem. They can manage this dual currency card, because you have to advertise as dollar, and then you have to also pay the supplier. So that's why you need a good card, okay? And credit card is very good. And last thing is that the right supplier, okay? So my friend, that's it. These 7 steps very important to create e-commerce. And just contact me if you need any help, okay? I will help you, okay? No problem.